Yo, how's it going? Yeah, that's it, perfect. Give me a second, one minute. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, cool. Perfect. Pulled both eyes to me, nice. I'll give you a couple more. Yeah, that's cool. Perfect. So you can lean against this, it's fine. Which there's a label, I think it's on the stick that away. Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, this is cool. And then do exactly what you just did, but have your arms up almost, just so I can crop it better.
This way?
Yeah, that's cool. I reckon put your hands flat on the wall. That's it. Oh, really? Okay, cool. Yeah, this is cool. He's like, yeah. Yo. Okay. That's alright. Come back a tiny bit just so I can get rid of that hand. That's it. Perfect. And then bring your shoulder around just a bit more, so you're almost looking like over your shoulder, that's it. Cool. Okay, yeah, perfect. Let's do that. Just turn something on here. Yeah, perfect. Hold that for me. Yeah, these are cool. And then are you okay to kneel down? Do exactly what you're doing, just do it lower down. That's cool. I think on the knees, yeah, because it means that's it, the lie is getting nicely. Okay. Perfect. Cool. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, these are cool. Perfect. And then I'll get you straight on, just so I can get the eyes. Let's have a look. Yeah, just for a couple, that'd be good. And then lean up against here for me, Beth. No, you can be facing me, I reckon, that's it. And come forward a tiny bit just so that light hits you. Amazing.